Hello guys, today we're gonna see another problem of BitMask. Well, basically it's asking us to find a binary matrix in which every cell has exactly two neighbors with a different value. They're gonna give us the height and the width of the column of the matrix. So let's see with an example. This is the first one, 2 by 4, and what it's saying is that its neighbors that are the up, left, right, and down, but two of them should be different color. So let's see how we can solve this. Okay, so basically what they are saying us is that if we place one here, we know that we're gonna have 4 neighbors and 2 of them must be 0 and the other must be 1 in order to satisfy. Or it can be like 0, 0, 1, 1 and so on. So let's try to solve for the basic test case, the 2 by 2. So let's say if we place 1, we know that since it's a corner we have to place 0, 0, and by default this is going to be 1. So this is our base. We can start also with 0, 1, 1, 0, but let's continue with this approach. So now let's do for 2, 4. Okay, so we have another corner, so we can place again like 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, this is satisfying. What happens if we place the opposite, like 1, 1, 0, 0? Okay, this is satisfying. No, 1 has 3, 0. So we know that we are forced to place 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so now let's continue for 2 by 6, and again it's another corner. So right here we detected a pattern. Okay, so let's check it, that we're gonna place again the same corner. Let's take this as squares. So this is equal to this. So if we want to do 2 by 8, we're gonna copy this one here, 0, 1, 1, 0. Alright, so this is satisfying. And okay, but we notice that it's also like copying 1, 0, 1, 0, and to copy 0, 1 and 0, 1, and the same as copy 0, 1 to 0, 1 and 1, 0 to 1, 0. So let's go with this approach. What is gonna happen for the case of, I don't know, 4, let's copy this part. It's 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Since we are filling corners, we know that we have to put 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 1. And why we have to put this part? Well, basically we are placing the opposite to this here and the opposite from this to here. But let's say, so our pattern is that we are gonna feel like 1, 0, then 0, 1, then 1, 0, then 0, 1, then 1, 0, and so on until filling the width. And for the height we are gonna place the opposite twice, like 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, and right here we're gonna place in 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 0 0 1. We are gonna repeat twice. As we are seeing here, we are repeating twice. And here we are going to repeat it twice until filling, like 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. And since this is odd, we have to place another that it's going to be here, 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So basically we are placing the first one time, then we repeat the opposite twice, then the opposite twice, then the opposite twice, and so on until we get to the height. So let's check how we can implement it with BitMask. Well, we know that all the numbers are represented by bits, like in this case the 8 is going to be 1000. So here we have the sort operation. The sort operation gives 1 if we have 1 or opposite 0 or 0 opposite 1. If we have two values that are equal, we're gonna got 0. If we got equals, we got 0. If we got different, we get 1. So let's see, if we do like our number 1, it says that it will, what it's gonna do is like it will remove this 0, and this is going to be 1, 2 and 4. So what it does this is to split by 2, divide by 2, split by 2, and when we do this is like multiply by 2, because it adds a 0, when we do this. So it's like multiplying. When we do this, it's like it's gonna give true if the both are ones. Let's suppose this is going to be 0. If we have the OR operator, if we have any that is 1, it's going to give us 1. Only if we have two zeros, it's going to give us 0. So let's start implementing our solution. We're going to implement it with C++. So let's start. I'm going to include all the libraries. I'm used to this is for fast reading. Sorry, easing with stdio. This is to read faster. Okay, so let me check the constraints and let me read the test cases. I'm going to read N and M. Okay, so we saw that we're gonna have two strings, the one and the opposite. So let's do it. So what we're doing is that we're going to divide by 2 the M. So what we're gonna do is to add until M, because we're going to concatenate the pairs. Okay, let's have 1. Then it's going to be placed in the opposite. So if t, we're going to add a plus 0 1, and to be the opposite, that is going to be 1 0. And what happens when it's the opposite? It's going to add 1 0, and to add 0 1. So we can do this in order to get the opposite, and we can start placing our solution. Well, this is going to give us the width, so now let's work for the height. So let's say it's going to be until n, and let's have another flag. Alright, so when our e when we got an even, we are gonna change it. And we're gonna show, if it's t, we're gonna show a, and otherwise we're gonna show b. Okay, but let's say that it's placing in a space over there, so let's place it. Alright, and this is going to print our solution, so let's confirm if it's working fine. Okay, I forgot to put this. Okay, so let's check it, and it seems to be working fine. So let me submit the code. Okay, we got accepted. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to comment. Thank you.